WhatsApp, with its vast user base and versatile features, is more than just a messaging app. It's a powerful tool for generating income. By leveraging its reach and functionality, you can create quick revenue streams with minimal investment. Here are practical ways to make money using WhatsApp. Sell products or services. WhatsApp's business app allows you to create a catalog to showcase products like clothing, accessories, or homemade goods. Promote your offerings in groups or via status updates, targeting local or niche communities. For example, selling baked goods or crafts can yield $50 to $200 weekly. Service providers, such as tutors or freelancers, can pitch coaching or consulting sessions, charging $10 to $50 per hour. Action steps. Set up a WhatsApp business account with a professional profile. Share your catalog in relevant groups or via broadcast lists. Use secure payment methods like PayPal or local apps for transactions. Affiliate marketing. Promote products from platforms like Amazon or ClickBank through affiliate links. Share deals or reviews in WhatsApp groups or to your contacts, earning commissions of 5 to 20% per sale. Focus on high-demand items like gadgets or fitness products to maximize clicks. Action steps. Join affiliate programs and generate unique links. Post engaging content with links in active groups or status updates. Disclose affiliate relationships to build trust. Manage paid groups. Create premium WhatsApp groups offering exclusive content, such as investment tips or fitness plans, charging $5 to $20 monthly memberships. Ensure valuable, consistent content to retain members. Action steps. Promote your group on social media or existing networks. Use payment apps to collect fees securely. Deliver regular updates to maintain engagement. Final tip. Always comply with WhatsApp's policies, avoiding spam or unsolicited messages. With creativity and effort, WhatsApp can become a lucrative side hustle.